Connie Ferguson says Shona has the longest 4-5 and makes her scream too much. But little did actor Shona Ferguson know what his gorgeous wife, Connie, think about his big AK-47 machine or 4-5. Connie Ferguson in an interview with Online Media News said she liked the size of Shona's 4-5 and she doesn't want any reduction in order to have a normal B3 Drive OOM life because they wanna take their acting career to another level by beibg 0r stars instead when they age. I suppose when we release our first video it will sell because everybody will be shocked what I faced almost daily, however I like it because I'm used to eat. Connie said. When we tried to contact Shona Ferguson his phone kept on taking us straight to voicemail. Keep checking for more details.